Now comes Apache Spark Streaming. So it is a component of Apache Spark that enables scalable and real-time streaming process, right? Or real-time stream processing. It actually allows developers or users to process live data streams in real time using the same programming model as batch programming in Spark. Spark Streaming breaks the continuous stream of data into small manageable batches, and each batch is processed using Spark's code engine. So it is much faster and it can actually handle a large data or set or big data, right? Now, here comes the key concepts, or we can say the terms which are important for understanding Spark streaming. First one is dstream. So dstream is the fundamental abstraction in Spark streaming. It represents a continuous stream of data divided into small batches. So basically it divides the streaming data into small batches, and these streams can be created from various sources such as Kafka, Flume, SDFS, or custom sources, right? Now comes micro batch processing. So it involves dividing the incoming stream into small fixed duration batches and processing each data as batch jobs using Spark's batch processing engine. It actually divides the data according to the time interval or quota, right? Receiver are the components that ingest data from various sources and make it available to like Spark streaming. Some examples can be Kafka receivers, socket receivers, right? And what are like windowed operations? Then they supports, actually Spark streaming supports windowed operations, which actually allows us to perform computations on sliding window of data rather than entire stream, like the data a specific window which is like which moves from initial to the final through sliding process, right? It is majorly like useful for operations like counting number of occurrences of an event for a specific n seconds, right? Now we can understand what is Spark streaming with some examples or real-time applications like in social media analytics, right? In social media analytics, real-time processing is done from social media platforms by collecting their data and tracking their user sentiments. For fraud detection also, the streaming or Apache Spark stream has been used for analyzing transaction data streams. It is actually used for identifying patterns and anomalies that may indicate fraudulent behavior, right? It can be used for monitoring or log analysis, IoT, etc. and etc.